because everything we're gonna do if we get arrested by ICE is they're probably gonna take you to the nearest detention center. When you're there, you're gonna get booked and processed. Do not ever sign a document that anyone gives you unless it was given to you by your immigration attorney. That's the only person you are signing documents for. I have clients who signed documents that were given to them by their detention officer, and it was a self-deportation order. After bookings, you are going to ask to see an immigration judge. You have a day in court. You have due process rights. No one wants you to know this. You have a right to go in front of an immigration judge. In that hearing, you're gonna ask the judge for a list of pro bono free attorneys in the area. And guess what? That's it. You're not gonna say anything else to that judge. They can ask your name, they can ask your address, that's fine. But anything after that, you say, I really would prefer to discuss this with an attorney present. Please give me some time to talk to an attorney. There's no more discussion. There's no more discussion about whether you're documented or undocumented. You don't do that unless there's someone standing right next to you. So that judge is gonna say, you know what, I love you so much and I respect you and all of your rights because you clearly understand the Constitution because you follow Michael Foot. Now you're gonna go back to the detention center, you're gonna call those lawyers on that list, and you're also gonna call someone you trust. You're going to memorize someone's phone number right now, someone you trust who you know is gonna answer the phone. That's all you need to know how to do by yourself. Because after that, you're gonna have an immigration lawyer, you're gonna contact your emergency contact. You can also go to AILA.org and find an immigration attorney who is qualified to represent you in your area. They'll help you get a bond hearing, get you bonded out of a detention center. This administration wants you to feel like you have no rights, you have no recourse, you are just gonna get picked up and immediately deported. That has happened in very few instances, but you do have due process rights. You need to assert them. You need to ask for a lawyer. You wanna ask to see an immigration judge. You wanna ask for a list of attorneys in the area. You wanna ask for a phone call. You wanna call that emergency contact of the person whose phone number you memorized. You wanna do all of these things. That is you asserting your constitutional rights. As every time you do that, you are protesting this administration. Their efforts only work if it scares you out of asserting your rights.